Hey guys, today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Marco's pizza. I ended up getting some Italian sausage, pepperoni. Both of the pieces are thick crust and they have garlic in them. I ended up getting the $6.99 for both pizzas. Oh, well, $6.99 for each deal or whatever that they always have down here. I'm not for sure if it's everywhere though. And I have some barbecue wings. These like basically cost the same price. I think that was like $5.99 for the wings itself. And they also gave some garlic sauce. Well, some garlic butter, I guess, and some ranch for the wings. So yeah, I ended up getting some ranch out of my kitchen just in case. But yeah, I didn't know they delivered so late or whatever on a Thursday night. And it was weird, but they did have a promo going on for early night or late night order pizza between 9 and 11. If you order pizza, you'll get a percentage off pizza. Yeah. And it came actually quick. I ordered it like at 10. And then, no, I ordered like around 11. And then they end up coming probably like at 11:15. It's not that late now. Still early though. And I'm drinking on some Heineken. My mom came over here yesterday. She ended up buying some beer or whatever, and the Heineken is kind of stronger than what kind of beers that I usually have. And I got some Canada Dry, of course, so I'm sure I'm even ending up eating or drinking that. This is pretty good. And fulfill it. Ooh. Really fulfilling. Jeez. It's a lot. I didn't expect the crust to be this thick, to be honest. I wanted to do this. I should have waited till Friday at least. I'll be out, be able to relax when I get up. Yeah. I love drums or whatever. I don't prefer flex. It's not enough meat on there for me. But I don't necessarily go, when I go to the wing places, I don't necessarily go order just drums. If there's wings in it, I really don't care. I'm not going to pay extra money just for a specific piece. I prefer cold ranch or whatever. It's room temperature, the ranch that they gave me. Right, and look. Just getting the ranch that I had in my refrigerator. Ooh. Strong. Well, I'm not the type to drink like regular beers. I always drink like white versions of beer. But this is kind of harsh on my throat. Good. Oh. I never tried they silver salads. I wonder if that tastes good. I'm not for sure if I can do that no napkin, no utensils thing. I could probably do it, but that's like, I need it. I need napkins. Not necessarily utensils or whatever, because I eat with my hands. But it'd just be weird, but that's not wiping your hands or your mouth. It's good, but kind of harsh. There's nothing like a good beer, good old cold beer when you're eating pizza and wings. I was just watching, what's it called? Martin or whatever. And I love all seasons of Martin, but I think season 3 would have to be my favorite. I got all the episodes that, well, majority of episodes that I enjoyed is on season 3. They have what is it called? I was just watching this one. I think it's Feast or something or whatever. Feast or Feminine or something like that. When they had the competition of who can cook the best Thanksgiving dinner. It was funny as heck. Where he had the song Pass the Peas. That, I think he had some older R&B star or whatever in it too. That's like one of my favorite episodes. And also, they have the episode when Martin got to host his first show on the talk show. And, they have Big Shirley on there at the end, burping basically. That was funny. That whole episode was good. And I think that's the episode that Martin ended up hooking up Tommy and Pam in the episode. So it was like pretty good. Oh, dang. Okay. I needed that. Whew. Another one of my favorite episodes from Martin is when he had that puppy or whatever when they went on vacation. They ain't no dang puppy. And the other one is kind of my favorite. It was starting to fall off. That season wasn't so good, but it was still good. They had the episode Blues in the House when they when Martin ended up buying that haunted house. So that was a pretty good episode. Yeah, depending on what time I end up going to sleep, I might end up watching season 3 again. Well, I might binge watch it over the weekend. That's pretty good. Depending on what I got planned to do this weekend. Excuse me. Another, probably gonna end up watching, I'm not gonna have time because I'm gonna have to go to work in the morning. I'm probably gonna end up watching, what is that movie? I'm either gonna watch not Sprung. I wanna watch that movie. I've seen it before with Gina in it, the one that played Gina and Martin. And the one on Friday, the whole Craig's girlfriend or whatever, Joyce or whatever. End up watching it and probably try to go to sleep. I don't know yet. It's like out time. It's like living something now, I know that. And now I'm gonna make another YouTube channel. It's not gonna necessarily be for mukbangs. I'm gonna still make mukbangs on this channel. I'm just gonna add another channel or whatever, basically making unboxing and reviewing the stuff that I get from Amazon, and also doing technology how-tos and stuff like that. So my mom gave out some good names. I'm probably gonna name it Rickae's Way. It's my middle name, just the way. So let's see how that works. Most of the technology stuff that I have on my page, you get like hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views. Well, over the years, I got 100,000 views. And people still watch it sometimes. Dang. I'm not gonna be able to do the no utensils and no napkin challenge at all. My air conditioner was on right first night. See that right there. The bones in there. Yeah. Always sleeping, feeling like I always be making a video when I get out for work or something like that. Whew. I'm dead. Okay. Dang. Good. I'm not really a big fan of their pepperoni pizza because it's like so bland or whatever, but it's still good. But I do enjoy their Canadian bacon. It's always good. Maybe I'm trying to get sleepy or something. Got me a little bit too much to not to be out tomorrow. I'm thinking I'm going to be over there chicken wings. They're kind of too. I don't know. I kind of got weirded out by one because it was like too meaty to an extent. Not too meaty, but I don't know. It was too meaty. Seeing too many blood vessels and stuff. I was like, what the heck? On the bones. I was like, nah. So hormel food. Yeah, I can tell the pepperoni is hormel. That's probably why I don't like the pepperoni. I was just reading the box. That was interesting. Tripping. Oh. Oh. Right. Let's see it. Dang, I opened this can up a while ago and I can still hear the fizz and stuff. It's crazy. I'm done for the night. It'll be leftovers for a while. But yeah, probably gonna make the YouTube channel over the weekend. I already have a few videos that I can add to that page or whatever. So I'm just gonna be working on that, I'm guessing, or whatever. And I'm gonna be uploading on here too, of course. Was good. Yeah. Oh. I know my headache went away. I had a headache about 2 hours ago when I woke up. Now my headache is gone. I'm good, glad. So yeah, I'm good now. Ready to go to sleep and just be ready for the weekend, basically. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a great weekend so far. And just be safe. Take care. I'll see you guys later.